are you today? And welcome to today, Wednesday's Art and Craft. So we have been doing farm animals and we have Moppy the pig with us. And we have been making some farm animal masks. You can do masks, you can do little posters, you can do whatever you want. So today I'm going to do a chicken. What? Wow! So first I have chosen cards. So I have yellow card, I've chosen black card and red card. Okay, so what we're going to do is, if you do not have these colored cards, which is absolutely fine, you can use white card or white pieces of paper and color them the color. It's absolutely fine. So first what I did was cut circles because, let me just get my chicken. Our chicken is here. So I made a circle and then a bigger circle. Circle and then a little bit of a bigger circle. So about this size. You can probably do this with a cup or anything circular. You can use the sellotape as an example. Once you have this, you can place them together. At this point you can use glue or you can use sellotape. I'm going to use my glue. I have this glue just in case it's a little bit difficult to stick. Cola fria. So I'm going to just glue that there. Oops. Just like this. Yes? So we have this, just like this, just a little bit on top so we can still see some parts. Okay, ready? After that, I have to think, what else does a chicken have? Oh, they have wings, a little bit of tiny little wings. They're sort of feather wings. Okay, at this point, the wings are quite difficult to do. I have cut like this and I've made a little bit of points, like little small mountains, about 3 or 4, and I've done it twice. And then what I'm going to do is glue it like this. That's cool. So I'm going to get my glue the end bits, oops, and stick them like this. 1, let's do the other one, 2, good. So I now have like this, it's all glued behind like this and the front is like this. Yes? Okay. Once this is done, let's look at our little chicken and what's missing. They have legs. So I have done black strips, just 2, because they have 2 legs. So I'm going to do them, glue them onto our one, 2. Wow, that's awesome. That's so cool. Now what am I missing? Eyes. We're gonna say, so I've done them black. You can do them any color, and I've just done 2 circles. You can do this with, if it's been up with some coins or a lid of something, like a pen lid, just like a pen lid. You can use it for making small little eyes. Stick them. Okay, perfect. Once the eyes are stuck on, we can stick the little piece of hair that some chickens have. I have done this red. There we go. Make sure that it's stuck on okay. And now we look at our chicken. What's missing? A beak. Good job. A beak. Their beak. This is a triangle shape. You're so good at your shapes that you'll be amazing at doing the beak. Just like this. And now we have our chicken. What? That's amazing. And it's saying hello. Wow. Maybe you guys can have a go and show me some lovely pictures. Anyway, I hope to see you soon. Have a go. Bye.